Hi and welcome to this video, and today we're going to finally put to rest which is better, the connector block, the Wago or the twist on. So let's give them three tests to find out who wins. Now conveniently, as if by magic, I've set up a little rig to test the load. I want to test the load to see how much they can handle on the strain. And I've cut out 1 metre of 1 mil twin and earth to keep it fair. So then first, I'm going to connect the first cable, the 1 mil cable, into the middle of the 3 gang or the 3 terminal block Wago. There we go. It's in there nice and tight. And then the second one, I'm going to do it one strand because I'm not going to bend it over, so I can make it fair. Put this into the connector block and tighten her up. I will be fair and do both. Yep, nice and tight. Tighten up without threading the screw. Right, so that's that one. And now the twist on. So let's twist this fully on the cable. That's on there nice and tight. Tight as it will go. It's twisting the cable now, if you can see. Yeah, it's on there as much as it'll go. Right, so let's put them under load. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to thread it through the small hole that I've drilled in here, and then connect it onto my suitcase gauge.
So let's see how it'll connect on here.
Right then, here we go. So it goes up to 22 kilograms. It's gone past 22, just past 22 for that one. No, I stand corrected, the cable snapped. The cable snapped before the connector block give up. Okay, so now we've got 2.5 cable, twin and earth. Upgraded it a bit because obviously the 1 mil wasn't cutting it enough. The connector block was just a bit better than I anticipated. So let's try the 2.5. 22. Oh! I'll tell you what, that's good. For strain, it's quite good. It's even doing the 2.5. Oh. So now we have the Wago, and let's see how that performs. Let's give it another go, just to try it again. Right, we're going to give the Wago another little go. Not good at all for strain. Now we're going to try the twist on. So let's try this. Not fantastic either. Oh no, it's ruined it. It's pulled the insides out. Let's get another one of them. So far, that's 1 point to the connector block. I think that's quite a big point as well. That took up a lot of strain. So let's move on to the next test. And with the next test, we're going to do the continuity. So which has the best connection? So first up, the Wago. Right. .41. And then again, we've got the connector block. 0.41 again. And then the little twist on. 0.41. Yes, that was a bit of a boring test because they all got the same results, which I expected, to be honest. Now for the next one, let's see how the twist-on cap does the heat. Let's put some heat on it. So we've got it connected up for 2.5 cable to the bucket. We'll hear it drop. So now then, let's try the Wago. See how that does with the heat. So the Wago, flipping hell, it's hot. So the Wago actually did fail under excessive heat. Now the last one, the connector block. How is this going to survive the heat? Well, I think that's safe to say that that connector block, it's going to last forever. That's quite good. Yeah, if I just show you this as well, even when you give it a tug, I've just been melted. It still stays quite solid. So the connector blocks, got to be a clear winner for that one. So for the strain test, the connector block tool was a clear winner. And for the continuity test, well, bit of a pointless test really, because they all come in the same. And then for the heat test, it was a connector block again. So it just goes to show that sometimes the old ways are the best. Till next time. Thanks for watching. If you like these kind of videos, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you again on the next video.